Assalamualaikum. Hi, Miss Wendy. Today, our group will be dating title about human jobs to be replaced by robot. I would like to introduce our group members. I'm Mushari, Muhammad Firdaus, Muhammad Fitri, Muhammad Qaizi. My point is the various human jobs that will be replaced by robot. For example, travel agents. I agree with a travel agent because the assistance of a website and applications such as Expedia, ABNM, and Asiago has made travel agent service increasingly forgotten to make hotel reservation and flight ticket. One of the reason is the customer are easy to deal with without going to the place of a travel agency. Save time, find a parking space, easy to deal with, and save costs. That's all for me. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Mushari. Okay, the general belief that technology will take over human job in the future is a misconception. Therefore, I choose to disagree that robot will replace human being. Based on the point given, travel agencies still need to use human services because human will also control the system. Sometimes website cannot be trusted because there are a lot of scam in advertising. The pictures shown in the website are sometimes not stated. When dealing with human customer, when dealing with human, customer will be able to more clear and accurate information. Bargain can also be made easily. I am therefore of the view that robot cannot completely replace human work. That's all.
Okay, that is a good point, but I think my point is better. Listen, as we know, we are now in the age of the fourth industrial revolution. What will happen in this age actually? The, the sophistication of technology has caused the task of computer operators to become obsolete because nowadays the type of software that is specially designed to repair problematic computers automatically. A simple example we can see is like the touch and go and the RFID system technology that we use on highways. The system is very simple and fast. Congestion at toll exits can be greatly reduced with the availability of this technology. Today's machines are equipped with various sensors to read the state of the machine and the operation carried out by by the machine. The machines previously only worked individually and there was no data exchange. Advance in communication technology help machines communicate with other machines. When machines are able to communicate with other machines, they are able to share information and make decisions using the data received. This is called a cyber physical system, which is a system between information in the cyber that is the collection of input information data and the physical of the machine. The existence of artificial intelligence allow the data obtained to be used to make important decisions without the need for human interventions and makes today's machines smarter. As a result of a smarter system, factories will be more efficient and waste can be reduced. So once again, I emphasize that I agree that we will be in an age where robots will replace humans being on many things and professions in the future. That is my point. Thank you.
Okay, thanks to Encik Fitri for his statement, but I still disagree with that. As we notice, robot is still useful to us from day by day, but if we expecting robot to use all the time, it still has a problem. The use of robot is still limited. Manpower is still needed for the multitask job. Even touch and go still need service support from human. If there is any problem, the user also has to take time to solve. Sometimes it can be solved by the robots. If there are human who handle every problem, it can be solved faster. For me, human power is still need to provide satisfaction for the service provided. For example, If there is damage to the Touch and Go card when you're using it, the user must make a report and wait for the decision. If there are people who work, of course it can be resolved at the time as well. Okay, for the in term of communication, the technology is easy, but it also has cons. It gives an opportunity to scammer if it not restrict, and leakage of important information is also easily accessible by anyone. For example, if we contact customer service to make a report, robot can only accept report only without understanding what we are facing. More satisfied if we can talk to people who can understand our problem. In terms of satisfaction, we cannot expect robot to manage everything. Okay, for me, as a result, robot is still not able to provide satisfaction to replace human work. Robot do not have brain to think and to solve the human problem, but it can just only help. For me, humans are more needed to handle every given facility as well. Okay, that's a debate from our group. Thank you.
Okay,
Okay,
thank you,
thank you, Miss.
Melon. Thank you, Miss
Wendy.
Wendy. Thank you, thank you,
Thank you,
thank you, Miss
Hey,
everybody.
Wendy.
wait. Someone
What?
request to
What?
join us.
Who?
See, what's that?
Who's that?
Master of Puppet.
I know her.
Who's that Pokemon?
Shh.
What she tried to tell you? Ooh.
Huh? Where's
What
Ai?
happened?
Where's Ai? Ah, I'm scared. I already watched this before.
Don't move.